Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking the exact URL and environment to test. Make sure you can reproduce the page state. Next, run quick automated tests, Lighthouse and page speed for a snapshot web page test for geographic variance. Record baseline metrics like LCP, CLS, FID or INP, TTFB, and total page weight so you have numbers to compare. Once done, save HAR or JSON exports and take screenshots. These first actions give you a measurable starting point to guide optimization choices. You now dig into the waterfall and trace the longest blocking resources, identify synchronous scripts and slow third-party calls that delay render. Then analyze assets, compress and serve responsive images, enable gzip or Brotli, defer non-critical CSS, and optimize font loading to reduce layout shifts. At the same time, test server behavior, confirm caching headers, evaluate CDN coverage, and compare HTTP/2 versus HTTP/3 benefits for your requests. You apply prioritized fixes, deploy critical changes like caching rules, asset optimization, and server tweaks, then rerun full audits to confirm regressions didn't occur. Next, set up real user monitoring so you catch geographic or device-specific issues over time and validate lab results against field data. If a regression or unexpected slowdown appears, roll back the recent change, isolate the offending commit or resource, and compare before and after metrics to pinpoint the cause. Finally, iterate until metrics meet your target thresholds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.